if you miss number 32. Line 1 is important to the poem because it helps. So here I need to circle line 1. And why is it important? What does it help do? The poplar is a lonely tree. All right, so I'm guessing the word has something to do with lonely. I annotated that on my first read because that seemed like a tone and mood word. Does it introduce a familiar setting? No, it's not familiar, 1. And 2, it's not a setting. It doesn't work. Does it describe the speaker? Okay, also no. It has nothing to do with the person who is speaking or the voice behind the poem. Does it create imagery? Imagery is language that appeals to the 5 senses. So language that helps me taste, touch, or smell or see something? Of course not. Lonely is not appealing to my senses at all. Does it establish the mood? Absolutely. Absolutely. Lonely is definitely a mood or emotion word. And remember, mood is how the author wants us to feel. Mood is me. And after we read this, if you look at my gist, the author definitely wanted us to feel badly and feel lonely for the poplar. He wanted us to understand that the poplar is a lonely tree, like Mr. Hamilton and his dating life. Okay, just had to say it. Bye.